Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3, guys. I'm happy that you're here. We're working on 24 by 24 inch gallery wrap canvas and our base coat is already down. It might seem silly to some of you, but I dream in color. And I wake up sometimes and I have these colors in my head and I want to rush on in here to put them on a canvas. Well, I wasn't able to rush today because life is busy and had other things to do. So it's late at night and Rick's asleep and Lito's snuggled up next to him, and I thought I would come in here and play with some color. Our base coat is already down. Our base coat is yummy. It's Rustoleum Metallics and it is the metallic white pearl. I used this a few days ago and I loved it so much that I reached right back out to Amazon and I said, send me more. And this bottle came in the mail, busted open, but it was in a plastic bag, and they're sending me another one, but I had to scrape it all up, put it in a big container and mix it up, and I wanted to use it before I lose it. So base coat is Rustoleum Metallic White Pearl. Really yummy paint. That's what we have here in this container. Our colors tonight are wonderful. This is beautiful. Blues and greens, guys. That's what I saw in my dream, and that's what I'm painting tonight. This is Matisse Southern Ocean Blue, and that is their fluid paint. This is yummy, guys. I bought this a while back and thought about it, and I thought reach out and get some more of that because that is absolutely lovely. This is a wonderful color. I hope that you can see that. That is a mix of Charvin Indigo and Artist Loft Phthalo Green. These two together made a wonderful blue-green. Right here, fun goodness, guys. That is Pebeo Studio Acrylics in the Iridescent Green Yellow and yummy Decoart in the Citron Green. It's fun to mix and play with our paints. It takes me longer to mix up and think about what I'm doing than usually the actual process of doing it. Right here, this is wonderful too. Decoart Dazzling Metallics, and that is their crystal green. We also have Artist Loft Soft Body in the white. And we have Artist Loft Soft Body in the black. Now, all of our paints, except one, are mixed with 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, a hefty squeeze of Golden GAC 800. Except this guy right here. I'm like, what the heck? If we're playing, let's play. AMSTERDAM pouring medium. Now, if you read about this, it tells you that it was kind of created for pour painting. So I am absolutely certain that there's some type of an oil in it, possibly like the Australian Floetrol. So if you use it, guys, I recommend that you clean your canvas afterwards, just like you would if you use silicone before you do your isolation coat, your varnish, your resin, just to be sure. If you have a nice painting, clean it off if you've used that because you just don't know. I've done 3 paintings with it and I cleaned all 3 of them off just to be safe. So what am I doing tonight? I don't really know. I'm gonna put some cups in a color. I'm gonna dump them on the canvas. I'm gonna throw some paint around. I'm just gonna fiddle here in my happy place, guys. And I'm glad you joined me here. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
So full of self-confidence, and everything you said made a lot of sense. I thought I was too cold to ever love again, but every single word cut through the rain. We see the distance grow, I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages, I'm closer to you there I guess. Living in your messages, every day now I confess. Light up any room without going in. Funny how just a few letters in a row can turn into a smile, and now you can't let go. Oh, oh. We see the distance grow, I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages, I'm closer to you there I guess. Living in your messages, every day now I confess.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?